name is Katya Carrington. I love anything creative, and I'm here today to share some creative ideas with you. Today we are going to make some simple stickers that you can use for so many things. Let's get right to it. Okay, so for this project you will need a packaging tape, a baking paper, or you can use other sticky paper backing like the shiny side. You also need scissors, maybe a Sharpie. You also need an image that you want to turn into a sticker. Here I just took some kids book, I cut it out, and I'm just taking my shiny paper. Put the packaging tape on the shiny paper. I'm actually putting a few just because my image is bigger than the width of my paper, of my packaging tape. So I'll just put double. Cut out the rest. I'm using a card just to get rid of any bubbles underneath. I'm now putting the image on top of the packaging tape, the right side up. And now you just need to put more packaging tape on top of the image. So you're just putting the sticky side on the image. My card again just to smooth it out, to get rid of any bubbles underneath. Cut off the other packaging tape. Now you take scissors. Just cut around the image. You leave some space around the image because that is going to be the sticky tape. Just a little border. It's done. And now all you have to do is to peel it right off. And it's so easy. Now this image is very sticky. Stick it on anything. You can stick it on something plastic, you can stick it on a jar, you can stick it on some paper, you can stick it to make a card. Now I'm going to show you how to make a label. So this time I'm taking my baking paper, and exactly the same way, I'm just putting some packaging tape straight on top. Cut the excess off. And then I'm using the card to smooth it out, and I'm going to use a Sharpie to write something. Not the best Sharpie I found, but you get the idea. Packaging tape, put it on top, cut it out. And again, it peels off really easy. And if you put it on a glass jar, or just on a glass, that will look really cool. You can put it on the card. So that's just another thing you can do. And you can use a magazine and do exactly the same thing, just something different, a different picture, but you can put it on the card and that will look really nice. I hope you like this video. This was just something that my daughter actually taught me. It's just amazing what we learn from kids these days. I thought it would be really useful to some of you, because it was really useful to me when I learned it. She actually makes her own stickers and gives them to friends, and she draws them. She's very good. And then she keeps the baking paper at the back so she could give it to them and they could put it on cards, or they could put it on their laptops, or whatever they want. And I actually think it's a really great idea for making cards as well. You can use things from magazines, like, you know, some Christmassy designs, put them on Christmas cards. Yeah, it's just a great way. I'm now going to be posting videos like this every Saturday, and if you found this useful, click subscribe so you don't miss any. Stay creative, and I see you next time. Bye.